Hello guys, welcome to another video of my vlog. So today I decided that I think I'm gonna base my YouTube channel on things that you can do while here in Hawaii on a budget. So it's a Friday, I'm in Waikiki. Usually it's one of the busiest days here, and I'm on the beach, as you can see behind me. I'm waiting for the fireworks show to start. So the fireworks show actually took a little break because of the pandemic from early 2020 to about a couple weeks ago. So it happens at around 7:45 or 8 p.m. in front of the Hilton Hawaiian Village. So I'll get there in a bit. So right now I'm just kind of taking a walk. It's about 7 p.m. About an hour until the fireworks start to go off. So I'm just walking around trying to kill time. But I think that it's a very good way to end the week, especially on a Friday, one of the busiest days of the week. It's a very nice way to spend time, even alone or with your family or friends. Watch some fireworks. You can go right up front, and you don't even have to pay anything. It's a nice environment to be in, especially now with tourists coming back to Waikiki, which is very nice. But yeah, I think I would definitely recommend, if you're here on vacation or if you're a local, you can definitely watch the fireworks. You know, I haven't been to one of the shows personally since the whole pandemic started. So, you know, it's my first time here since February of 2020. So, you know, I'm pretty excited myself to watch one of the shows. So I'll show you around. As you can kind of see if you walk closer, so this is the Hilton Hawaiian Village. So it's the hotel with the big rainbow that you can see on the ocean side. So as you can see, this area is kind of coned or taped up. So the people here, they can't go past this line because this is where the fireworks are going to be. So it's a hazard. So it's coned off from about this side over here, right around all the way around the edge to the other side over there. So I'm not too sure if you can see it well. I'll probably go closer, but there is a little that's where the canisters will be for the fireworks. So that's why people are not supposed to be too close, just in case, you know, things go haywire. So when I mean you can literally be right up front when the fireworks starts, I mean that you can be right in front. So this is actually a pretty good view. Obviously it's the sun is still setting right now, but this is probably one of the best spots that you can get to watch the fireworks. I remember the last time that I was here, I was kind of back towards where all the crowd is over there. So a lot of the locals stay there because they have their barbecues going on the grass. So yeah, there's a lot of once you walk around here, there's a lot of good food that you can smell. But yeah, you can literally be right up front and you'll get one of the best views here. But I mean, if you're right up front, your head may be looking up the whole time, so you may get like neck strain or something like that. So I definitely recommend standing in the back over there, and then you'd still get a very nice view of it. There's also a little pier down at the end over there. I'm pretty sure you can see it on there. Maybe I'll go there before the sun sets. You can stand out a little bit on the ledge over there, and not too many people go out there, but I'd say it's one of the better views as well. But yeah, I mean, it depends on the weather too. I mean, today's weather is it looks decent. It's not too bad. Probably gonna be a little showers later on, but I mean, as long as the weather's nice, you know, the night will be nice as well. So. Okay, so if you can see those little canisters there, that's where the fireworks will be coming off later. So don't go too close over here. That's why there's a marker here. It's dangerous. show. Haven't been there since February of 2020. Super exciting, and I enjoyed it. Even if I was by myself this time, really fun. So it's good for anybody, locals, tourists, everyone alike. So right now the big thing is parking. So obviously parking in Waikiki is horrible. Now the big thing is getting out. So once that thing is over, I recommend getting to your car as soon as you can, because the traffic jam coming out of Waikiki is gonna be nasty. So obviously if you're a tourist here and if you're staying in a hotel in Waikiki, I definitely recommend walking to the fireworks show on the Friday night, because if I turn the camera around, it's absolute gridlock. So I mean, if you're finding parking here, the parking on the beach is free, the public parking, but where I park is the paid parking stalls, so it's not on this side over here. So I'm definitely gonna be stuck in there. You get real lucky if you find a spot over here in the public stalls, but the paid parking here is probably the cheapest you can find in Waikiki at about $1 an hour. Just make sure you pay at the station before you head off. So a lot of traffic here.